Finally, time to say goodbye to what has been an incredible run of just day after day, around 50 at night, near 60 during the day. I did post the record we hit on Tuesday of 63 degrees. And you can also read where I posted about November. That turned out to be the third warmest out at PDX in terms of the mean temperature. So you combine the low and the high basically every day, and you come up with a number that was a little bit more than 3 degrees above normal. If you're wondering, what about the rain? The rain was over, what was the total here? 6.43 inches for the month of November. Remember, normal is 5 something, so we were only about an inch above normal. And you actually have to push, I think you got to get close to 10 inches of rain for November to make the top 5 list. So November wasn't, sounds crazy for me to say, but wasn't considered super wet, but it was above normal. I think there were only 3 days that had 0 precipitation, but that's November, right? It's the way it's supposed to be. Okay. Big story today is, had a few little spritzes of moisture and some sprinkles around early this morning. There's a push of cooler weather that's coming in with this cloud deck that's moved overhead. We're going to see the cloud deck thin, which means it will be partly sunny to mostly cloudy during the day. And you may notice that the wind direction will be more westerly to northwest instead of south. All of that combining to bring temperatures back down closer to normal. Still forecasting a high of about 53, maybe 54 today. And normal, the second day of December, the seasonal average is 49. So still a little bit above normal, but not the crazy warm stuff. Overnight tonight, partly cloudy skies should allow temps to dip into the 30s. Been a while since we've had a cold night. If you live in a usual icebox spot, I like to call it, you have a chance to be at least close to seeing frosty conditions in the morning. And then during the day, Friday, a similar sky to what we're seeing today, kind of partly sunny to mostly cloudy. We should get back up to around 50 for a high. There's a little bit of a stronger front on Saturday. This one will bring some manageable rainfall, maybe a 10 to 2/10 of an inch of rain. The rain chance starts in the morning. And depending on how thick the cloud cover stays all day, we may or may not make it to 50. I'm forecasting 48. That snow level is still 5,000 to 4,000 feet up in the Cascades. Sunday's dry, another morning in the 30s. And then finally we have a stronger system on Monday and a stronger system on Wednesday of next week. And these are the systems that really get the old December machine going. So Monday could be raining all morning and then scattered showers in the afternoon, maybe a good half of an inch of rain. Snow levels drifting down to about 3,000 feet, maybe down to 2,000 feet with some scattered showers around on Tuesday. The second system hits on Wednesday of snow levels, again, potentially between 2,000 and 3,000 feet. Both of those deliver some hefty snow amounts to the Cascades. And right now, it looks like moving forward, especially starting next week with those 2 weather systems, that most days, not every day, but most days have the chance to average below normal temperature-wise here in Portland. And most days, starting next week through the end of the month, show favorable snow levels down to Cascade passes and more than not below passes. So there's a real good reason to have hope, as I sat in my chair this morning, that we will quickly build a snowpack in the coming couple of weeks up on the Mount Hood ski resorts and also south into Mount Bachelor and be setting the table for a really healthy Christmas, New Year's holiday season for boarders and skiers. Let's hope. That's what I'm seeing right now. And with that said, have a nice Thursday, and I'll talk to you soon.